Okay, we are in the locked owner storage on the Ocean Lane property. It's a big space. I'm not sure what they use the space for, but there is room in here for a generator hookup. There is a generator here. We'd have to check to see if that goes with the sale. There's also a spare stove in here. And here is that laundry area. Tankless hot water heater. There's a spare fridge in here. Probably a bait fridge, I would imagine. Empty currently, but you could put other things in there. It's a nice big space. They do have some insulation in here to help keep the heat in, and I guess the cool out. And it's all elevated off of the ground in case of any kind of flooding. And let's see, looked at two sides of the exterior. I'm not sure how well we'll see the back side here. Got a little bit of a jungle. Back side of the house. T111 on the top. There's the HVAC. And again, I'm not sure how well we can really see down that side of the house because of the trees and things. And it'd be interesting to see where the property line ends, because you've got this shed out here. I'm guessing that shed goes to the house behind, but we'd have to find out for sure where that shed goes. All right, that's the remainder of the tour here on Ocean Lane.